I didn't study properly for my CSET exams. बिल्कुल भी नहीं पढ़ा मैंने, सिर्फ प्रोकास्टिनेट किया, कुछ भी ऑनेस्टली बुक खोला भी नहीं। पर अब क्या का फ़ायदा, आई फेल्ड माई CSET। पर अब क्या करें, कैसे पढ़े? CSET तो मुझे देना ही है, किसी भी तरीके से मुझे पढ़ना ही होगा, अच्छे मार्क्स लाने ही होंगे, मुझे पास होना ही होगा। आई हैव टू डू इट, आई हैव टू पास इट।
सो गाइस, पिंकी ने तो अपने सारे जो भी उसने मिस्टेक्स किए थे उसने उसे एक्सेप्ट कर लिया, बट व्हाट अबाउट यू? अब आप लोग भी खुद से क्वेश्चन करो कि आपने क्या मिस्टेक्स किए दैट यू फेल्ड एग्जाम। सी एज आई ऑलवेज से CSET is not tough, and if you fail any exam, not just CSET, if you fail any of your exams, it's just because you didn't give your 100%. Otherwise, it's so easy. It's so easy when you are confident, you have studied everything. Nothing can stop you to like win your exams, get good marks in your exams. Nothing can stop you from that. So what you have made your mistakes, it might be like just Pinky, that you kept procrastinating, you just take it very lightly, you thought that I will study afterwards, or you didn't study properly, you didn't pay attention to your studies, you didn't understood the questions, you didn't understood the chapters, you just said that okay, I will see what will happen in the exams. There would be a lot of questions, different issues for you all guys, some genuine issues and some just a matter of ignorance. So make sure you honestly analyze everything, the mistakes you made, and then we will get to the video and we will say and we will know how we can stop doing that and what would be our approach to give our CSET again. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sneha and you are watching Escapade with Sneha. So guys, I have already made a video that if you passed or if you have failed CSET, what you should do. So you can go check it out. And now let's get started with this video, what we should do. So first thing what you have to do is you have to check your results. That you failed your CSET just because one particular subject, like many of you failed just because of legal aptitude. So just check it once that you just failed your exams just because a single subject, or there were 2 to 3 subjects that you were not able to pass. Okay, so if there is only one subject, it is easy for you, like 3 subjects पे आपको focus नहीं करना है, you don't have to focus that much on the other 3 subjects. You have to give your 10 days to your legal aptitude or whichever subject you failed. Okay, if there is only one subject, you analyze, you know that you were not able to understand, or it was tough for you, or you didn't study it properly. So if you were not able to understand guys, make sure you take guidance. And who will guide you? You can take coachings. Okay, if you're not able to understand, it's not that you will just drink some kind of juice and it will all just, you will know everything. You can't do that. If you don't understand, you need a proper guidance. Okay, so take any guidance you want where people can make you understand. Okay, or watch the whichever videos you watched during your examination, watch it again properly, give your 100%. And if you were not able to understand, try to understand it again. Maybe this time you will understand, since you have studied it once. Maybe this time it will be easier for you to try to focus on your particular subject, whichever you fail or whichever in which you were not able to pass. So once you have analyzed your issues, now you can start working on it. Okay, now it's time for you to outshine everyone. Okay, you have to not everyone, you have to outshine yourself. You have to make sure that you pass this time. You have to make sure that you give your best this time. Okay, try to study properly, give 5 to 6 hours to your studies every day. If there was only single subject, try to study it for 4 hours and then 2 to 3 hours revise other subjects. Try to study properly, honestly, with your mind free. Don't take bina matlab ka tension. Don't worry that I failed this, what will happen if I fail this time. Don't worry about it. Okay, if you will fail, you have a lot of options, you can try everything. But if you are giving it again, try to make sure you make it count. Segregate your subjects. like I will give, like, yeah, I failed in legal aptitude, so I will just focus on legal aptitude more. Like I will study 3 hours 4 hours legal aptitude and 3 hours around all the subjects. I will revise it. Okay, there is nothing tough, you can do it, mind it, you can do it, guys. Just be very much confident, know overconfidence, be very much confident, think that now I can do this. You know everything. Okay, now all the modules, all the subject are in your mind. You don't know 100%, but you know, you remember 50% of it at least. So you have to only revise other 50 and you will know everything again. So you make sure that you finish your revision, you finish everything, whichever you have to focus, whichever subject you are trying to focus more on. Try to finish everything before 15 days of your exam. Like on 10th of July you have your exams, to try to finish it before June 25th. Okay, you can do it because you already know your subjects. In 1 month you can try to revise it properly. You try to focus on one subject and revise others. You can do it easily, trust me, you can do it easily. But make sure you have a proper plan for your studies. Now what you have to do, after you have finished your revisions, you have finished your syllabus, try to practice more. Now practice should be your key. Try to practice as much MCQs as you can. Try to practice questions, try to recall questions that you were not able to answer. Okay, try to focus on the areas again. If you think that, okay, let's do it once again, I want to do this chapter once again, don't study the whole subject. Try to study the particular chapters which you are not confident in. Okay, so once you do it, try to revise everything, try to recall. When you are sitting idle, try to recall things, try to solve MCQs as much as possible, try to make your own MCQs. Okay, this is a thing that I wanted to say always, that once or when you are studying, okay, try to make questions, try your own questions, try your own, give your own options, or tell someone like, this chapter, can you make some MCQs for me from this chapter? Okay, anyone can help you. Okay, so make your own questions and keep it aside. Okay, don't solve it the same day or the next day or within 2 to 3 days. Once you finish your whole subject, your whole syllabus, try to solve it then. Okay, तब आपको लगेगा कि yes, इसको मेरे को आंसर्स तो याद नहीं, बट आई नो द आंसर्स, द करेक्ट आंसर्स क्या होगा, मैंने कैसे इसको बैठाया था, कैसे क्वेश्चंस बनाया था, आई डोंट रिमेंबर दैट, बट आई नो द आंसर्स. तो इट वुड बी ईजी फॉर यू, इट वुड बी लाइक यू, देयर वुड बी अ लॉट ऑफ MCQs. अगर आपको आंसर फिर भी याद रहता है, इसका आंसर तो B था, अगर आपको फिर भी आंसर याद रहता है, बट क्या है, आपको क्वेश्चंस तो मिला ना, यू आर एबल टू गेट योर क्वेश्चंस, यू आर एबल टू नो द आंसर्स. इट विल जस्ट मेक यू रिवाइज्ड. फिर आप उसको 1-2 बार पढ़ सकते हो एंड इट वुड बी वेरी मच ईजी फॉर यू. सो यू कैन ट्राई. Guys, this was it for the video. Hope you liked it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I would be helping you always, and just make sure you subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, like this video and comment down if you have any doubts. We will see you in the next video. Ta-da!